So I wanted Dr. Werner, since I can't give this homeopathic lecture alone, she has to talk about her homeopathic experience. Because we both discovered homeopathy independently. So I think it's kind of interesting. Another eye doctor here. He didn't use homeopathy.
Well, thank you so much. I'm going to explain to you exactly, actually, how it works. Now,
yay! Woo! She looks a bit like someone.
has everybody had chemistry, like in school way back when? Okay, but you do know what H2O is.
Yeah, that's like water.
Okay, and have all of you heard of Einstein?
That's the German guy.
Okay, now you know that when light is energy, right? Okay, and he gave us the theory that energy equals mass times the speed of light. E equals mc squared.
Equals mc squared.
Okay, now if you take that formula, and we think there's a lot of mass, right? Okay, if you collapsed all the mass down into the universe, so there was no space between the mass. Do you know how much mass there is in the entire universe? You think you're a lot of mass, right? Yeah. I'm a lot of mass, right?
I'm
this building is
more than you are.
Okay. Well, the whole universal mass can be consolidated down into the size of a bowling ball.
What the?
That's all there is in the whole world and the universe. So, how much mass are you?
Not much.
That's right, an infinitesimal amount. So if you took that formula, E equals mc squared, you can almost cross out mass.
Move over, Obama. Dr. Charlene Werner, here is your Nobel Peace Prize.
So the formula ends up being energy equals the speed of light. Okay, and that's why the vision system is so important, because we have lots of photoreceptors that receive light.
Let me get this straight. We have very little mass, that's why we see?
But when Hahnemann died, the scientists didn't fall in his camp.
Yes, it wasn't popular with science back then, because even they could see it was a load of rubbish. So John Forbes, the physician to Queen Victoria, said the small doses that he used in homeopathy, to think that they even work, was an outrage to human reason.
Okay, and the pieces of the puzzle didn't fit well together. So God,
What, God?
in his infinite wisdom, sent him another Einstein called Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawkins? Stephen Hawkins? Oh, you mean Stephen Hawking, the person who has nothing whatsoever to do with string theory.
Okay, Stephen Hawking gave us the string theory. And what he discovered is that there are other energetic particles in the universe, and they're shaped like little U's. And what they do is they work by vibration. So our body is so wonderfully designed.
Huh?
We have light receivers and we have ears, string, vibratory, they pick up vibration. So if you added to that theory, Einstein's theory of relativity, we have E equals mc squared, but mass is crossed out almost.
So, we take out the mass, rendering the formula useless. Brilliant.
And strings, vibration. But that still doesn't tell us the whole picture.
Oh, really?
Because what is a cell? Right? Okay, so a cell has cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm. Is that mass? Not very much, really, right? So what are that? What is that? You can break down the cells into tiny pieces of energy called electrons, protons, neutrons, right? Okay, so the whole body has an infinitesimal amount of mass, but what is the remainder? Energy. So I am energy, you are energy. Okay, now if you go to study physics.
Yes. Yes, you should.
Energy cannot be created. We do not know how to create energy, but we don't know how to destroy it either. That is not humanly possible. So what we do is we take energy and we transform it from one state to another. That's all we do. So if that's all we do, guess what the definition of disease is?